Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today we'll discuss about open multiple note windows in OneNote. Windows in OneNote. If a single OneNote window isn't sufficient for you, isn't sufficient for you, you can open multiple windows of the same or different notes in OneNote. This allows you to categorize your notes in various windows. To open multiple note windows in OneNote, select the View tab at the top of the OneNote interface and choose the new window option. You now have a new OneNote window open on your computer. You can switch between this multiple window the usual way. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.